What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage, man. We are back with another video, and today, you know what I'm saying, I had to bless the wifey with a Christmas gift. Merry Christmas to everybody out there. You want to tell them Merry Christmas?
Well, is it on Christmas? I'm sorry.
We dropping the video on Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
Yeah. So, I told you guys during the live, I ended up want to drop it today on Christmas Eve or tomorrow on Christmas. So, y'all see this on Christmas. Merry Christmas, everybody. Hope everybody is having a great day with your family and loved ones and stuff like that. But man, I want to give a special shout out to Bay right here, man. She's been helping me with the YouTube channel, all that good stuff, respond to comments, give me video ideas and all that stuff. And I was like, I gotta give Bay something, you feel me? I already got this a long time ago, but she don't even know what they are. So we about to bless her with a fire pair of Air Jordan 1s. She want to start the Air Jordan 1 collection up, so this is gonna be a good start to it, you feel me? So we're gonna get right into it. We got the little Charlie Brown tree over there. I'm about to take the camera off the tripod and get to this Christmas Jordan 1 unboxing, man. Let's get it.
I didn't know you got me one.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You ready to get your unboxing going on?
Should we gonna go down
Yeah,
here?
you can go ahead and get it. You can get it. You can get it. Yes. Oh, we been right into it.
Yeah, I got time for that.
No knife or nothing.
It's
So we gotta get into another unboxing. There you go.
How you do this, baby?
Oh. Whoa, don't cut yourself. Don't cut yourself. So what made you like Jordan 1s? Like, you've been talking about them all year.
I just feel like they're versatile, like, and they look good on slim feet, you know? They look good on women to me.
You gonna get some dope fits out of it?
This box looks small as fuck.
I know, right? Hey, you're going to Charlie Brown Tree over there. Make sure you get your Soul Premise bag. Save 30% off using the code The Vintage. I will link it down below so you guys can get your Soul Premise bags, man. Check out the tree though. Oh, they already pulled out the box.
Yes, sir.
How you liking them? How you liking them?
I like them.
You like 'em?
Yes. You know you have to lace these up though.
No, you gotta lace them up.
No, you gotta do
Yeah, you
it.
gotta do it. So I got those on the exclusive access drop. I actually got a pair over there. You wanna grab that pair over there? You see them?
Yeah.
So now we twinsies. You feel me?
No, I'm gonna bother you to take a picture with me.
It was clean, huh?
Hell yeah, I like these.
How you like them? How you like them?
I like mine better because they're
Yours
smaller.
better?
Yes.
All right. So we gonna rock the blue laces. We're gonna rock the white laces.
I think I'm gonna do white.
White.
I don't know. That blue kind of look good though already.
Yeah. I don't like the blue. I like the white a lot better.
Oh, yours has the white. Yeah, I'll probably do the white.
You the white?
I like the white. Yeah. These are cute. My first pair.
Your first pair of Jordan 1s. So I got a pair of Jordan 4s, some 12s that she beat up. I don't even know where they are anymore.
They're in my closet.
And yeah, so this is, don't cut yourself. Please don't cut yourself. So this is really the first, you know, go ahead and do a little quick, you know what I'm saying? What you like about it? What you liking about it?
I just like that they're a simple shoe. It's not too many colors, so I can pair these with a lot of outfits. And just think about, like, if we do go to VA, when it get cold, trench coat,
Oh yeah.
some tights ones.
Yeah.
Like what? I'm about to dress these up, okay?
Yeah. So I did a lookbook, if you guys don't know, on the channel, and I put like some corduroy pants or whatever. And I'm just trying to say, like, that brown goes perfect with the navy blue and the white. It's just crazy. And man, you said you like that swoosh right here? That metallic
I'm liking
swoosh?
everything about these.
Liking everything?
Yes.
They
It's just
cool.
a simple shoe, but they're fire. You know what I mean?
Yeah. So I dropped a bag that day. You know what I'm saying? Not a bag, but I got my pair.
Yeah, okay.
I got your pair, and I was actually also about to unbox your pair, because your box is damn near as big as mine.
Yeah.
But the shoe box is small as hell. So size 5Y, that's base size, and yeah, I want you to throw them on feet right now. What's up?
You do?
Yeah.
I gotta lace them out. You gonna help me?
I just want to see you throw them on feet real quick.
With my fuzzy socks?
With your fuzzy socks.
Okay, let's see what we can do.
Oh no! Please don't kill yourself, baby.
Oh, look.
No lawsuits over here.
Cause you know I will.
All right, let's get it cracking. Let's get it cracking. These things is clean though. These joints is clean though. No cap, no cap. Bay of the year, hubby of the year, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna focus. Yes, sir. Look at them things. And your little foot. Why they so small?
My foot in with these socks.
Oh, the fuzzy socks. Oh yeah, you gotta take the socks off.
Be right back.
Oh, she gotta get the socks. She don't want to sew them buttons. Nah, but these right here, I really love them. I think this was like maybe top 2, top 3 or whatever in the collection for me for Jordan 1 pickups. I dropped that video last week. So if you guys want to check that out, please do that. But these right here, I really love them, and I was like, yo, I think Bae gonna like these too. I got these like a whole month ago, but I was like, this is gonna be a good Christmas present. She got your boy like a Lakers jersey, a LeBron jersey. She got me like a nice little stand for like my Hennessy and stuff like that. A bunch of stuff she got me this year, so I was like, I gotta get her something. And this right here, I really love it. The one thing I want to say about these is the quality compared to the men pair is not up there. So check out the men pair right here. They got tumble leather even on the tongue of them things. Check it out, check it out. But on these, it's flat. So we're gonna see how these things play out for her real quick when she throw them on feet. All right, you got your socks on?
Yes.
You got the socks on?
Yes, sir. I grabbed the first, let's talk about it. They're so cute.
Throw them things up there. Let me see them things.
You see them?
Ooh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, my thirsty ass.
Thirst bucket. You following?
You know how long I've been saying I wanted a pair of ones?
How long?
I feel like about 2 years.
Well, ever since, I forget which Jordan 1 that I had, or you seen some girl wear, and you was like, I want a pair of Jordan 1s.
No, it was yours. It was those,
Which
I think they were red, blue, and white.
Red, blue, and white, red, blue, and white.
Or maybe red, black, and white.
These right here? Not the smoke grays, not those.
No, it was a minute ago.
Jordan 1s.
I don't remember. And then you wanted you still want the bread ones.
Yeah.
So
well,
I kept
these.
looking for the, yeah.
So they got mids like this.
DIY.
I don't know if they came out. I think they did come out in GS. But I did a little black on there. Or something like that.
I fuck with it, baby.
You fuck with it? Yeah, I was like, man, I gotta take the cheap way out. I ain't spending $1,000. You know what I'm saying?
And I've been watching them, trying to see if they go down so I can grab you some of them.
Yeah, they're going for a lot of money. How you like your Christmas gift?
You see me lacing them out? Do you see me? And it's not even the color I want. But yeah, I like these. Thank you, baby.
Yes, sir.
My lip gloss on.
So what's next? What's the next Jordan 1 you behind? You don't even know. You like, if it's blue, red, just get it.
No, I saw some pink ones actually, but I think they was custom.
Customized ones? I ain't seen no pink.
They was pink, like all pink. Like pink and dark pink.
No, I haven't seen no pink.
I'm getting those.
Customized them, new DIY.
Yeah.
Oh, well, yeah, since you was gone, I point out the camera, like the quality. See the difference in quality?
Oh, yeah.
Like
that don't even look the same.
Yeah, I know. That's just mad tumble, and they just give the GS boo-boo quality, I guess.
So what that mean? Am I gonna crease more or yours?
Yours probably gonna crease, but it's not bad. It's not terrible, but it's not gonna be, you know.
There's definitely a difference, though.
Yeah, huge difference. It is what it is. We're gonna take our little matching fit, you feel me?
Whenever you're ready.
Whenever you're ready?
Whenever you're ready.
But hey, real quick, I want to talk about this tree. We got this in Germany, right?
Yes.
And we had nobody over there. It was just us, me, the wifey, and the daughter. We was all just, you know what I'm saying, enjoying each other's time and stuff in our presence. And we gonna take this tree everywhere we go, right?
Everywhere.
And I'm thinking every time this Christmas, I should have had this up all December, really.
Yeah.
In the
your
background.
room. Yeah. We had it up, but it was in the living room with our other tree.
Yep. It is what it is. But you guys will see this next Christmas when we on the channel, man. That is pretty much donezo, man. I'm glad that you enjoy your sneakers. You like them. Finally got you a pair of Jordan 1s.
Thank you.
I gotta get her some more, you feel me? Some more Jordan 1s. The ones on smaller feet, I'm not a feet type of guy. But small feet, you know what I'm saying, you killing with the fits in the Jordan 1. So yeah, I appreciate everybody for pulling up. Please give a huge like on this video. You already know, to get the wifey back on the vids, you gotta get this up to 500 likes. We just hit 40,000 subs. And again, babe been helping me respond to comments. She's like, babe, what should I say to this? And I'm like, yo, tell him this, blah, 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 and all that. So it's been very dope. We working together and stuff like that. She's like my little manager, man, but she worked for free. She worked for free. But I got her a pair of 1s, so I feel a lot better. And yo, we about to take in 2021 with a bang. We about to go crazy all 2021. Dope content, all that good stuff with my dope counterpart.
All 2021.
All 2021. Yeah, man. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on IG at DaVinciWorld. Be linked down below. You can't get hers. I'm sorry. If you did research, you might be able to find it. And with all that being said, we're going to catch y'all boys in the next video, man. Peace.